You can expect a lot from the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle rocks its class with 6-cylinder efficiency and distinctive styling. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.